These measures taken against corruption are as following. As early as 19 Some of the persons against whom the commissions were set up were as high as the chief ministers of some states, like Sardar Pratap Singh Kairo, Chief Minister of Punjab, Bakshi Ghulam Muhammad, Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, M. Karunanidhi, Minister of Tamil Nadu, etc. Commissions were also appointed against union and state ministers such as T.T. Krishnamachari, Union Finance Minister, Bansi Lal, Union Defence Minister, Jayalalitha, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, who is said to have spent more than 100 crores on the marriage of her foster son in September 1995. Many states in India, like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, etc., have set up Lok Ayuks investigating the charges of corruption against ministers, MLAs, and public functionaries. In this connection, former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee's words are worth quoting, which he said on August 27, 2002, while inaugurating a conference of the CBI and state anti-corruption bureaus. He said, "We should not tolerate corruption, however highly placed the offender may be." In the end, we can say that all-out efforts must be made by the government and the society. Only then there can be some hope of eliminating or reducing corruption. Regional imbalance in India. India is the world's second largest populous country. And seventh largest in terms of the area. In spite of dedicated attempts to reduce the regional disparity, there are certain regional imbalances in the country. Regional imbalance means that some areas are economically advanced and some areas are backward. The eastern and the southern regions in India have remained comparatively less developed than the western and the northern regions. There is also the difference in the income levels in urban and rural areas. The regional imbalance can be attributed partly due to the British policies. Their policy of export promotion led to the development of the coastal areas, leaving the interstate areas relatively less developed. The difference in the availability of the natural resources and lack of infrastructural facilities like roads, water, and communications also contributed to the regional imbalance. Human resource is the most important resource of a country. The quality of human resource determines the use of other material resources of a country. The citizens of a country vote in the elections and choose the representatives of the government. Citizens have a very important role in a democracy as they exercise their rights and freedoms and benefit from the democratic setup of the country. Citizens need to be active and participatory in nature. They have to be aware of their rights and duties and should be willing to perform their duties. They need to be well informed about the affairs and issues facing the country. They need to play their role in maintaining the law and order in the country. A citizen should also have consideration for other people's needs and interests. Acts and laws of Parliament are not sufficient to sustain democracy in a country. For a vibrant, healthy, and strong democracy, citizens have to be concerned and interested in the public affairs of the country and should be willing to perform their duties also.